So it's raining and it's raining and it's raining. Look at the water falling. Nice. My beautiful plants are getting watered. Oh, wonderful. Yay! Look at my Joseph coats. They're pretty in the rain. You see that red one up there? Woo! Yeah, rain. Thank you, Father, for the rain. Yeah, that's my lime tree right there. Beautiful. Getting showers. I'm seeing a banana right there. Can you see it? It's right there. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. My marigolds, they're right there in that pan. They're coming up nicely. Beautiful. I have sorrel out there and other plants. Corns. All taking in the water. After the rain, everything will be shooting up with growth and bearing away and blooming. Oh yeah, water, 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 water. See, I have to cover that area right there with the zinc. Yes, I have some tomato seedlings underneath there. I didn't want the rain to beat them down, so I covered them, and they're doing well.